If you want your text in Microsoft Word to look more polished and professional, turning on ligatures is a great place to start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on ligatures in Microsoft Word step by step, so you can improve the look of your document in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can start with a new blank document or open an existing document where you want to use ligatures. Ligatures are character combinations that Word can style together for a cleaner, more elegant appearance, especially in professional documents, resumes, reports, and design-focused text. Once your document is open, select the text you want to change. If you want ligatures applied to the whole document, you can press Ctrl+A on Windows to select everything. If you only want them in one section, highlight just that part of the text instead. Selecting the text first is important because Word will apply the font settings to whatever is currently highlighted. Next, go up to the Home tab at the top of Microsoft Word. This is where most font and paragraph tools are located. In the Font section, look for the small diagonal arrow in the corner. This is the Font Dialog box launcher. Click that small arrow to open the Advanced Font Settings window. When the font window opens, you may see several tabs and options for changing the appearance of your text. Now click on the Advanced tab. This is where Word keeps more detailed typography settings, including spacing, character positioning, and ligatures. In the Advanced tab, look for the Ligatures drop-down menu. This setting controls how Word combines certain letter pairs into more visually refined characters. Click the drop-down and you'll usually see options like standard only or other available ligature settings depending on the font you're using. If you want a safe and simple choice, select standard only. That is the most common setting and works well for many fonts without making the text look too stylized. If your font supports more advanced options and you want a more decorative or typography-rich look, you can explore the other ligature choices as well. Just remember that not every font supports every ligature setting, so the results may vary. After selecting the option you want, click OK to apply the changes. Word will now update the selected text with the ligature setting you chose. If nothing seems to change right away, don't worry. In some fonts, ligatures are subtle and may only be noticeable in certain letter combinations. It's also a good idea to test this in a few different fonts. Some fonts are designed to make ligatures more visible, while others keep them very minimal. If you're working on a resume, document heading, or any text where presentation matters, this small change can make your writing look much more refined and professional. And that's it. You've now learned how to turn on ligatures in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few moments once you know where to look, and it can make a surprisingly big difference in the appearance of your text. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more Microsoft Word tutorials, productivity tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.